In this video, we are going to see how we can schedule our emails for a later time or later date. So let's say that we have composed a new email. I'll just click on home and new email. Let's say I want to send it to myself, just for the sake of example. Let's suppose that this email is to be sent to the manager. Let's just say that this is manager's email. The subject is this, that I have completed the project, all files attached. And here's the body of it. Let's just paste that as well. So let's say that I was working all night till 4 a.m. on this project, and finally at 4 a.m. the project is completed. I've attached and composed the email, but the problem is it looks very unprofessional if we send it on unusual timings. So what we want to do is we want to send this email out at 9 a.m. sharp in the morning. How we can easily do this? Let's see. Click on options and click on delay delivery. So we have already composed this, but do not deliver before the current date. That's fine. Let's say we want to deliver this on the next day, and it should be 9 a.m. So here it is, 9 a.m. And you can simply close it. Just make sure that this is highlighted or selected. That means delay delivery is successfully attached to this email. Now, even if we send it, it will not be delivered until tomorrow 9 a.m. So that's how the scheduling of email or delay delivery system works. Just try this by yourself, and now I will see you in the next one.